Mr. Hook, first of all, let me congratulate you on your new position, the Director of the Skyway Transport Australia. Welcome on our land, and I would like to ask you, what are your impressions after your visit to the Republic of Belarus and seeing the Skyway technology almost in action?
We've come now to the end of our second visit here, and we go home even more excited and more confident about the prospects of Skyway on a world scale and what Skyway will do in our country, Australia.
And what are your plans in your country, in Australia?
Yeah, look, it was about a year ago I first made contact with Skyway. We learned about it. I came over here in September and made our first meeting, and we've developed a long way in that 9 months since. We've established the company, as you've already identified. We've talked to a number of people. We have publicised Skyway as a new form of transport for Australia, and we've put a message around our country that Australia needs and Australia is ready to embrace Anatoly's technology. We go back and having certainly now learned even more than what I did the first time here, we will be talking to a number of businesses, mining companies, governments, heads of government departments about the possibility and the prospect that this technology can bring to Australia.
Thank you. Your delegation was bigger this time than it was back in September. Please tell us a few words about who you brought with you and for what purpose.
Last year in September, it was my business partner Murray and myself who came and developed our initial understanding of the company here and the country. And I might say we are both falling in love with your country too. This time I wanted to come back with some additional engineering expertise other than mine. I knew I had gone home impressed. I wanted to bring others who would have the same experience that I received last time, and to be able to confirm that that this works. And so we brought two people from an engineering company with us, and they had the benefit of listening to Anatoly the same way I did 9 months ago. And we can be very confident they are as excited and enthused as I am about what we can do together in our country, but also working with the Skyway people here. And it's a collaboration, it's a unity across two different sides of the world. It's exciting.
Thank you. What are new concrete projects that you'll begin working on back in Australia?
Well, I think the first thing, and it's been made very clear, the first thing is to have a test and a demonstration site, and we'll secure a site for that, and that'll be similar to what's currently being built here in Belarus. We've done an arrangement with a university in Adelaide about a short section of track which can take students from a car park and a train station up a hill to the main university building, and there's a lot of excitement about that. We need to find a way to land that project. Governments, and certainly the government in the city where we live, has talked about extending tram lines. We'll be presenting an alternative rather than put a tram at grade on a road impacting traffic. Yes, we understand the advantages of this technology and the environmental advantages that this can contribute as an alternative to a tram at grade. And we have, as I've mentioned, a number of mining companies who are developing product, who are mining product that has to be taken to a processing plant, that has to be taken to a port, and we are a big country. There are big spaces between mine site and the nearest railway siding, and that can involve heavy investment in haulage roads, in building traditional train lines, or the alternative that we will go back and we will be offering is a skyway system that is cost effective, environmentally friendly and more efficient in delivering the needs of the mining company.
Thank you very much. I think I can express the desire of all the investors of the Skyway project, see you successful in implementing these projects. We are all with you. You have all our support, and we wish you good luck on this way. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you again for the hospitality we've received. We go home even more excited about what the future has in store for us as we continue to collaborate and work together.